Samantala, hindi toxic ang duming dala at tinapon ng tanker vessel na kinontrata ng US Navy sa Subic Bay. Ayon po yan sa SBMA at DENR. Pero tuloy pa rin ang investigasyon ng Senado at maging ng US Navy. Handa naman daw itong harapin ng may-ari ng tanker vessel. Saksi si Julio Segovia.
Our initial findings are concerned. It appears that the allegations in terms of the oily waste and the sewage were disposed of properly.
Kasunod ng ipinatawag na special board meeting, sinabi ngayon ng Subic Bay Metropolitan Authority o SBMA na walang ebidensyang magpapatunay na may toxic, oily o sewage waste na itinapon sa Subic Bay. Ang pulong ay pinatawag dahil sa alegasyong nagtapon ng toxic waste sa Subic ang MT Glen Guardian, barko ng isang US Navy contractor. Sa paunang investigasyon ng SBMA, sa high seas o 17 milyang layo mula sa pampang itinapon ng domestic wastewater ng tanker vessel. Lampas sa 12 miles offshore na itinatakda ng Marine Pollution International Regulation. Gayunman, kailangan pa rin daw ng permit ng Coast Guard para rito.
As far as I know, it should be on the other agencies, not from us in getting permits.
Pero as far as you know, ano information nakaabot sa Philippine Coast?
I don't think so na they have.
Sa hiwalay na technical conference ng Environmental Management Bureau ng Region 3, sinabi rin itong hindi toxic ang duming dala ng MT Glen Guardian, kundi septage o domestic waste.
According to the representative of the Ecology Center, septage ito, domestic waste. It's not a hazardous or toxic waste which they have tested.
Kaya suportado pa rin daw ng SBMA ang investigasyon ng Senado sa issue.
We will insist, of course, that they are answerable and accountable for this.
Maging ang US Navy, nagsagawa na rin daw ng sariling investigasyon ayon mismo kay US Ambassador to the Philippines, Sari Thomas. Ang Glen Defense Marine Asia na may-ari ng barko, handa ro humarap sa mga investigasyon.
Our company has complied and is committed to comply without compromise with internationally established laws and procedures to protect the environment.
Pero giit ng US Navy contractor, hindi raw nila responsibilidad ng water treatment sa liquid waste dahil standard practice na raw na ang mga barkong pinanggagalingan ng dumi ang magsasagawa ng waste treatment. Tagapagkolekta, tagapag-dispose lang daw sila ng dumi ng mga US Navy vessel.
These domestic waste are already pre-treated by the Navy by the Navy ships before they are handed over to us. Pre-treating means the resulting fluid is strained and rendered inert or harmless and ready to be released at sea.
Batid din daw nilang hindi sila saklaw ng Visiting Forces Agreement at posibleng sinisiraan lang umano ng mga kakompetensya sa industriya. Ako si Julio Segovia, ang inyong saksi.